How you doing, guys? Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you've had a good weekend. I got a corker of a recipe here, but before we get started, as always, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell for notifications. You'll be doing me a great favour. Thank you very much. Okay, so I always go to India, and one of my favourite curries there is the South Indian garlic chili chicken. And all the time I'm wondering how it's made, so I thought I'd give it a go in the house. So let's get straight into it. What we've got here, okay, is some marinated chicken. These are chicken thighs. They've been done with a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of fresh ginger, pinch of salt, good squeeze of lime. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry that down in some beautiful clarified butter that I've made. Okay, now this is the closest I could make to ghee, but essentially, as you can see on your screen now, it's literally just melting down butter, taking out the impurities, and then you use the clear stuff, but it's so flavoursome to cook with. Okay, so here, what we're gonna do in this curry, we're gonna put some capsicum peppers in there. We got 2 chilies, and we got some coriander. Obviously, if you want to change the chilies up for bird's eye chilies, you work away. Okay, we got a beautiful base of onions and garlic, which have been sweated down really slowly, which you can see on the screen now. And the idea is that 15 minutes you need to do this for, just to get that beautiful brown colour on those onions and garlic. Finally, for the curry, we have this, okay? This is a tomato base. Look, if you want to, you can use tinned tomatoes, okay? But you know, this tomato sauce is made with ginger and garlic and onion, and you bring it down in the pan and reduce it down, make it really rich. It's worth the extra effort, but if you want to, you can use tinned tomatoes. So that's the curry. Now we're going to talk about what goes with the curry. Well, I got some beautiful basmati rice here, and all I done is simply simmer it in a pan with some turmeric just to give it a bit of colour. Because what we're going to do is we're going to create a beautiful spiced butter with this cardamom, cloves and cumin seeds, which we're going to mix through, fry off some chestnut mushrooms, put them in the mix as well. We're going to make a beautiful mushroom rice. And last but not least, we have this. This is flatbread dough. So easy to make. Honestly, it's like a 7-minute thing, and half of that's the kneading that you do, like a 3-minute knead, okay? But there was a fellow YouTuber, A View to a Grill, that was asking me about the flatbreads the other day, so I want to give him a shout out. Check out his channel, he's doing some awesome stuff with meat over on there. But this is for you. You wanted to know how to make flatbread, so I'm putting this in the mix as well. And it's so easy and so quick. So let's get to it. Okay, here we go, curry. Okay, good bit of ghee, or clarified butter, so pretend ghee. To that, we're going to add the browned onion base. Should add as well, that was originally done with some ghee and some oil. Because these are already pre-cooked, it's all pretty quick. So chicken, in it goes. They all go in. We're going to give that about 4 minutes to fry, and then turn it over, fry the rest. Right, chicken's had 4 minutes, peppers, in they go, chilies, in they go. May seem like a lot, but they're not the strongest chilies. And this is South Indian garlic chili chicken. Oh, lost the run of sugar there. Oh my god. The smell is incredible. Little bit of malt vinegar, just a couple, like 4 really small splashes. Okay. Tomatoes. In they go. Oh, did I say it smells incredible? Okay, low heat. Just leave it simmer now. I'm gonna give that enough time to do the rice and the flatbread, so probably about 10 minutes.
Okay then, so let's talk about the flatbread. Ideally guys, if you haven't got a machine like this, then you can just put all the dry ingredients into a bowl, add some water, mix it around with a fork. But if you have got a machine with a dough hook, it does speed up the process. But both are relatively short anyway. Then you need to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil there. This is what's going to give that lovely elasticity to that flatbread, I suppose. And then keep mixing it. Again, if you don't have a machine, then you're doing it with a fork in a bowl until it looks something like this. Then you're going to put it out on the surface and start kneading. So you turn, stretch, roll, turn, stretch, and just bring it back. And you just keep doing this for about 3 minutes. And then the dough will go lovely and smooth, so that you're looking for something that looks like this. And this is the perfect flatbread dough.
So the flatbread dough, I've split into 4 little balls. All we're going to do, plonk it on the counter, pat it down, roll it out. I'm not really fussy about circles, if I'm honest with you. Okay, so it's about that thin. Right, the pan, just into some oil on the pan. Cook each side until they start to brown. You got yourself some flatbreads. Mushroom rice, here we go. In goes a bit of ghee and about, I'd say about 20 grams of butter maybe. A good slab anyway. Bring it around. As the butter goes off, in go the spices. Let's get them going. Once you can smell those spices, you know it's ready for flavouring, okay? Blinking it. I almost put the rice in before the mushrooms then. Okay, so in go the mushrooms. I'm just going to top this off with more ghee, because I know those mushrooms are going to soak up some of that flavour. So, now the good thing about chestnut mushrooms is that they're a firmer mushroom, and you want that little bit of bite on them. So these like literally need 2 to 3 minutes. My college tutor would have a shit fit if she saw me now. You're not allowed metal on metal. Okay, see those, look at them, they're starting to glisten, packed with that flavour. Okay, in goes some rice now. We're going to make a nice mushroom fried rice. Little by little. We gave you everything you ever dreamed of. It's an Oasis song, just in case you didn't know. Keep turning it. Let the rice loosen. You've got a beautiful mushroom rice. Okay, so the curry's done. Let's get it into the dishes, because I cannot wait to eat this. Put that beautiful. Oh, look at it. Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat that. I'm gonna put a, oh, coming in for a look, get it washed by. Right, okay, so we're gonna put some yogurt, just a little bit over, splodges here and there, over the top.
Wait, is that? Is that proper yogurt?
It's sour yogurt, babe.
Oh, sour yogurt. A little bit of
Coriander.
coriander.
Okay, we got this beautiful mushroom rice. the spiced mushroom rice in about. This isn't your tea, mind. Are you having some, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It looks nice.
Does it?
Yes.
I thought you've had your tea.
I didn't know there was only salmon and mash.
Only salmon and mash that Daddy cooked for you. 1, 2, beautiful flatbreads. I cannot wait to eat that. Let's go. Oh, let's get involved then. I'm definitely having that little bit of mushroom rice beer. I'm only putting a little bit on for now because I just want to try it with that bread and have that juicy bit of chicken there. Some of those chilies. Oh, those big old bits of garlic. And leave that for now. I got a beautiful soft flatbread. Well, you know, how long did that take really? You know, no time at all in the pan, no time at all to make. I'm gonna mix it all up, get it all involved, and oh,
Yeah.
so tasty,
What did you say?
so tasty, hands down. If you like South Indian garlic chili chicken, then that is spot on, spot on. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Is this yours?
What?
No, it's mine. Thanks for watching. Right, me again. I was taken back by how tasty this is initially, and I don't think I gave enough about the flavour. But you know the layers of garlic coming through this and the spice in this curry. Honestly, I genuinely think I've outdone myself. Not even being big-headed. It's fantastic. This is better than the takeaway that I buy and spend 20 quid on. I just wanted to let you know. Thank you.